This quick little video tutorial is on how to use a spinner for making decisions in your classroom. Could be for picking names of students to volunteer. It could be for vocabulary lists, could be for math problems. Really the only decision you have to make is what you want to put on the wheel, because this can be used across any curriculum, any grade level, and it's a lot of fun. So use it in your classroom. Have fun with the kids. What I'm going to do is go to Class Tools and search Class Tools. And right here you'll see a classtools.net. So I'm going to click on that. And this is a fun little site. If you have not been here before, I encourage you to take a minute to look at some of these. There's a fake book alternative. There are all sorts of little things. QR code generator. You can go down to a timer. But the one that I want to look at today is the random name picker, it's called. It's a little wheel spin. So I'm going to click on that. That's going to bring up my random name picker on this little decision wheel. And what you can do is down here you have edit, save, create a new one, or share and embed. So I'm going to click on edit and save, and it allows me to come up and edit the list that's on here. So I'm just going to do one called homework, no homework. You can copy and paste the list in here. I'm just going to copy these so my wheel has more than two choices. Of course, you could just have two choices. That's a lot of fun too. And oops, give myself just a couple here so that my little wheel has more pie pieces than just two. And I'm going to submit this, and you'll see that it has generated my wheel here. I can also save this. So if I click here and choose Save List is currently shown, it'll ask me for a password. So if I need to edit this later, I can. So I'm going to put in homework, click OK. What this is going to do, it's going to generate a unique URL that's going to show up here at the very top. So this is the URL of this particular wheel, so I can use it again later. Get rid of this. What you'll do is you can either make this a favorite by clicking on the star to add it to a bookmark, or you can just copy and paste this link and post it in your Google Classroom or somewhere else so that you could have this for your random name picker. Maybe you're just going to open up a Google Doc and you can just have a bunch of these wheels as links so that you can get back to them at any time. So to use this, you simply just click to spin. And then it will make a decision. In this case, no homework. And I can choose to remove this item, or I can just leave it as is. So if I click remove, it'll remove that choice, and then I can go again. So if you are randomly picking names or vocabulary, maybe you want to remove this each time until you get down to the last item. So that is how you use this random name picker, or this random picker. It's a lot of fun with the kids. They like to see who's going to come up and do this. If you really want to get fancy, you could have two wheels side by side in two smaller windows. One that picks a name, and then one over here that maybe picks up a problem or a vocabulary word. So you could have somebody clicking two wheels to see what happens. So it's a lot of fun in any classroom, any grade level. Encourage you to use this. Thank you.